If you're having problem with your Messenger call, today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix it. So first thing first, make sure that the application that you are using, which is Messenger, is updated. Head over to your Play Store. At the top search bar, you have to type in Messenger. If you see update, tap on update. But if you see open, that means your application is already updated and you are using the latest version. So leave this as it is and head over to your settings. Scroll all the way below and tap on apps here. Also here, search for Messenger. Tap onto storage, clear the cache. Now, if you remember your Messenger credential, you may also go ahead, tap on delete data. Deleting this data will also delete all the application's data. So if you would like to do so, you may go ahead, tap delete. Come back onto App Info page, tap on Force Stop and then OK. Now you have to restart your device, launch your Messenger again, make sure that you are connected to a very strong Wi-Fi connection, and this shall solve your problem.